Hi guys, welcome you all. Let us see a quick revision related to Ashoka. He was a powerful ruler of our India, son of Bindusara and grandson of Chandragupta Maurya. He was the governor of Ujjain and Takshashila during his father's reign. He was a most famous ruler and third ruler of Mauryan Empire. After the death of his father Bindusara, it is said that Ashoka had to kill all the 99 brothers and became the king or assumed the throne. Here we see that an internal war among the brothers about for 4 years. He became the king in the year 269 BCE. After the 8 years of becoming king, he waged a war against Kalingas. Kalinga rulers are related to today's Varisha region. Those Kalinga rulers are not accepted Ashoka as a king, and that cause Ashoka was declared war against Kalingas. In the year 261 BCE, the sources we found in 13 rock inscriptions of Ashoka provide information about this war. According to it, Ashoka declared a war against Kalingas 8 years after assuming the throne. In this battle, 150,000 prisoners were taken, 1 lakh people died, and many more became refugees. Kalinga war was won by Ashoka. He was totally disturbed by the death and pain of that battle, and he decided to not wage the war after this war. He said that a victory of religious is better than the victory of a battlefield. Went into repentance on seeing the frustration which are created by this war. On being inspired by Buddhism, he declared and remaining life to spread the message of peace. He dedicated his remaining life to spread the message of peace in all over the country, and he sent missionaries to other countries also. Ashoka accepted Buddhism after Kalinga battle. He made donation to the Buddhist monasteries and viharas. He prohibited the killing of animals and birds. In his kingdom, Ashoka declared that all his citizens are children. He declared that all should be loyal to their parents and respect their elders and gurus. He wanted the people to show compassion towards the poor and slaves. And he said that live and let live. He appointed officers named called Dharma Mahamatra to preach the principle of Buddhism. He installed the inscriptions all over his kingdom to preach the message of Buddhism, and preachers were sent to other countries as well. He sent many missionaries to the different countries. A person named called Rakshika was sent to the Banvasi, and another person by name of Mahadeva was sent to Mysore. He also sent his son Rahula and daughter Sanghamitra to Sri Lanka in 250 BCE. He organized a third Buddhist conference at Pataliputra. In Ashoka's inscription, he was recognized as a name Devanamapriya and Priyadarshi. He ruled for 40 years. After the 50 years of his death, the Mauryan Empire is come to an end. He was a good ruler and able administrator also. Those are all about the King Ashoka. If you have any queries regarding this, comment below. Thank you for watching this.